Good students, today I am going to teach about derivation of equation of motion by graphical method. Before I have taught about motion, but today we will the derivation of equation of motion by a graphical method. You know that before this I have taught you about the equation of motion v is equal to u plus at, first equation of motion, and s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square equation of motion second, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as, third equation of motion, which is the very important equation and good role to solve the problem of motion. By this method we can solve easily of the problems of equation motion, problems of motion by this formula or method. Here v is equal to u plus at, v final velocity, u initial, a acceleration and t time, and s the displacement covered by the body, displacement covered by the distance in one direction, that is known as displacement vector. When the distance covered by a body in one direction, so that distance is known as displacement. But not covered distance in a direction, that is known as distance. You cannot call its displacement. Only you can say distance. Displacement means when body cover distance in one direction, that is known as displacement. Here s is the displacement, u initial velocity, t time, a acceleration, t time. Here these are the equation of motion. Stepwise we derive the all equation of motion. Here in first case, look here in a graph. Here velocity time graph. We draw graph here, velocity time graph. We draw here velocity time graph, or you write here graph, time graph. Here velocity. Look here in the graph, we draw the graph between velocity time graph. Okay student, here x-axis show the time and y-axis show velocity of the body during time t. Here at when time t is equal to 0, then the velocity of the body is equal to u, which is known as initial velocity of the body at time t is equal to 0 second. Here as after this time t1 velocity v1, t2 velocity v2, t3 up to velocity v3, t4 at velocity v, changing from u to v1, v2, v3 up v4 up dot v. Here v, the final velocity from d to b is equal to v. It is the final velocity. This is the initial velocity, u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. Here at t is equal to 0 second, initial velocity OA is equal to u. OA is equal to u, which is initial velocity. Initial velocity of the body initial velocity of the body. Okay, student. Here OA is the initial velocity, and after time t, increase time t1, t2, t3 up to dot t. After t time, the final velocity is equal to v. Final velocity become v. Here bd is equal to v is equal to final velocity of the body. Okay, friends, final velocity of the body. And OD is the time t0, t1, t2, t3, t4 up to dot t. Taken time t. Here OD is equal to time. OD is equal to t, time taken in changing in velocity. Here time OD is equal to t. Here BC, change in velocity. BC is equal to v minus u, change velocity, and OD is equal to t. Per unit time AC is equal to OD. Here AC is equal to OD is equal to t. Per unit time, change in velocity is called acceleration. Here that is known as slope, because the value of tan theta is equal to, we know the distance of BC, we want the distance of BC and AC. Here BC is the perpendicular line on AC and it is the base. Thus base and AC perpendicular time by t per unit, changing in velocity per unit time. Slope, that is known as slope. AB is the slope, or we can write slope AB is equal to BD by AC is equal to BD is equal to V minus U by T. Here velocity per unit time, change in velocity is known as acceleration is known as acceleration. Here AB is equal to A acceleration v minus u by t. Here we can write 8 by we can write cross multiply AT is equal to v minus u. Here you transfer this side, then sign change. Here u plus AT is equal to v or v is equal to u plus AT. It is the first equation of motion. Understand, student? This is the very important formula. After this, in second case, the body covered distance AOBD, the total area is the displacement of the body. Covered area by a body is known as a displacement. Therefore, we can write displacement S. Displacement S is equal to area of OABD. Look here, total area is the displacement which covered by body. Here, in this case, ABC and ACDO divide two areas, and we can determine easily by the total distance by these two areas, ABC and ACOD. Here, the area of triangle ABC plus area of quadrilateral OECD, which quadrilateral is known as rectangle. Here, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Then it is the perpendicular line. Here in triangle, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 here 1 by 2 area of base AC into base into height BC. AC is the base and BC is the perpendicular line or height of the triangle. Here plus OACD, length into breadth, or OD into OA, or here angle C is equal to 90 degree, and here since OA is equal to CD. Okay, student? Here 1 by 2 AC means T and BC means V minus U plus OD into OA, OD T and OA means U, multiply U. So, okay student, this is very important portion. Here V minus U, we want finish of V minus U. So V minus U means here since v is from equation 1 v is equal to u plus at, and we can write v minus u is equal to at, and we can write here v minus u. From this relation we can write here 1 by 2 into t into v minus u means at plus ut. Multiply this, we get ut here 1 by 2 t into t at square plus ut. Here we can write s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. This is the equation of 2. This is the equation of motion of 2, which is very important portion. This is case second, and this is the case first and case second. After this we determine the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. So okay student, this is the very important portion. After this we show it here, case third. The displacement S is equal to area of OABD. Area of OABD. This shape is a trapezium. Here you know, here BD parallel to OA and OD is the perpendicular line. So okay student, you know about this shape is a trapezium, and this is the perpendicular line on this. So this parallel to this, the sum of this side and perpendicular line divided by 2 is the area of the trapezium. Here area of trapezium 1 by 2 sum of the parallel side OA plus here OA parallel to BD, OD parallel to OA parallel to BD. Here OA plus sum of the OA plus BD into height. OD is the height of the trapezium. OD. Here 1 by 2 OA means U plus BD means final velocity. It is the initial velocity and this is the final velocity. Here we can write OD. OD means T. Here since V is equal to, we finish T, V is equal to U plus AT from equation 1 V is equal to UT, and we can write V minus U is equal to AT. Transfer this side, yani right side from left side. So V minus U is equal to AT, and T is equal to, we can write T is equal to V minus U by A. You can write by this relation finish T from this. Here we can write 1 by 2 U plus V into T plus V minus U by A. Can write student. This is a very important look here. Okay. Here you know that A plus B, A minus B is equal to identities A square minus B square. by this formula used here. Therefore 1 by 2a multiplied 2 into a. Here u, hence here we can write v square minus u square by this formula. Here we can write, and here s is equal to 1 by 2a by 1 we can write, then we cross multiply here 2 into a, 2as is equal to v square minus u square, or we can write 2as, you transfer this side, u square, here is this 2as plus u square is equal to v square. Thus we can write here v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion, which is very important role. So okay student, this concept is very important. You solve, we solve clearly and write in your notebook. So okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.